everyone, and welcome back to UZex News on Uzreport TV channel. Today in our edition you can get acquainted with the latest exchange news as well as with the market condition of propane. At the beginning of our program, we traditionally offer you the results of trades on all trading platforms of Uzex market as well as the price dynamics of the top commodity positions. These were the main indicators of Uzex exchange over the past week. Now let's focus on the latest exchange news. As part of the implementation of the decree of the President of Uzbekistan number PP5031 on December 27, 2021, the resolution of the Cabinet of Ministers of the Republic of Uzbekistan number 777 on measures to introduce futures trading and arrange an electronic logistics trading portal for services for the transportation of goods by road on commodity exchanges was adopted. This document is aimed at the phased introduction of new trading instruments of the exchange trading, including commodity derivatives, as well as the creation of an electronic logistics trading portal. The organization of futures trading on commodity exchanges provides insurance against price volatility in commodity markets, stability of market prices, as well as attraction of domestic and foreign investors to the economy. At the next stages of the project implementation, it is planned to determine the target configuration of the exchange system of the commodity derivatives market, clearing and settlement systems, develop local documents, introduce technologies and expand the circle of participants in futures trading, and arrange the special trainings and courses for local traders. The e-logistics portal e-logistika.uzex.uz was developed and implemented in order to ensure transparency and create healthy competition in the field of freight transportation. This portal provides services for the transportation of goods by road of exchange goods sold by organizations, monopolists, and organizations with state participation in the order of an auction. The advantages of this portal are the transparency of online trading and delivery procedures, equal opportunities for all participants, optimal market prices, as well as saving time and money for the transportation of goods. The portal also allows buyers of commodities to track the movement of their goods using GPS trackers of vehicles registered in the electronic system. Next, we turn to the analysis of the liquefied gas market over the past week. Dynamics of liquefied gas sales volumes will be the first, and generally in 2021 about 140.7 thousand tons of liquefied gas were sold through the exchange electronic trading, which is 5.5% more than in 2020. The average monthly sales for the period under review amounted to 12,000 tons at the Uzex exchange trade platform. The share of Lukoil Overseas Supply and Trading Ltd increased from 44 to 56% compared to 2020. As we can see on the diagram, it goes with a maximum top leadership position in the segment of sellers at the Uzex exchange trade platform. So Lukoil Overseas Supply and Trading Ltd goes with 56%. The second position here is taken by stock company Uzbekneftgaz, which goes with 27% at the Uzex exchange trade platform. And definitely the third top leadership position here is taken by Shortan Gas and Chemical Factory, which goes with 9%. It's worth to mention about Sanoat Energetika, which goes with 5%, and Bukhara Gas Producing Factory goes with 2% respectively at the Uzex exchange trade platform. Let's go and look more properly the local price dynamics. And for the first quarter of 2021, due to a decrease in the volume of exposure, the average prices were at the level of 3 million sums, as we can see on the screen. Afterwards, the price began to rise up to 4.2 million sums per ton, and in the month of July, it reached the level of almost 5.6 million sums per ton. In the month of August, prices rose to its maximum price position, as we can see on the diagram, 6.9 million sums per ton, which was the maximum for the period under review. The following months, the prices began to fall, and by the end of the year, the average prices of gas amounted to 2.8 million sums per ton, as we can see on the diagram. Considering the structure of liquefied gas consumption by regions, it's worth to mention that the Samarkand region again turned out to be the absolute leader on consuming gas, especially at the Uzex exchange trade platform. For example, the share of buyers of this region goes with 38.1%, as we can see on the screen. The top three also included, for example, the second position here is taken by Kashkadar region. Definitely it goes with 20.2% on consuming liquefied gas at the Uzex exchange trade platform. And the third top leadership position here is taken by Bukhara region, which goes with 11%. The share of other regions is below 2%. These were all comments for today. Thank you for watching us and being with us. Do join us next week on Uzreport TV channel, and definitely visit our website at www.uzex.uz. See you next week. Bye.